Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this EPROICKS Aprox Nose Hair Trimmer with an HD camera system, and all of that is possible by app control. We have 1080p HD nose hair trimmer and a near hair trimmer too. The nose hair trimmer for man and woman and so on has a 360 degrees wide angle nose trimmer camera for iOS system and for Android system and Harmony operation system. The real-time revolutionary visibility HD camera with the exclusive 500-watt HD camera and the Wi-Fi chip technology. We can see every millimeter of our nasal cavity in real time. That's first on the market. No more blind trimming. The process transfer to the smartphone, iOS, Android, or Harmony operation system prevent skin injuries and guarantees nearly 100% throughout cleaning. We use the app function to store the nasal health data for long-term monitoring. And universally applicable, as well as ear and nose hair trimmer made of high-quality stainless steel. This is a versatile tool that can effectively and conveniently remove unwanted hair from nose, ears, or from the eyebrows, beard, and face. The one-knot design is easy to use and suitable for man and woman, and so on. With it, we can show our self-confident side anytime and anywhere. And we have a tested safety for sensitivity nasal mucosa. The rounded titanium round head with the double blade system has been validated by professionals. Reduces irritations by 90% and protects the mucous membrane thanks to the pressure adapter technology. Unlike conventional trimmers with a wide blade, this model glides smoothly even on uneven nasal walls, painless and blood-free. And powerful drive and intelligent battery solution. Because with the 8000 RPM high-performance motor, it cuts even dense hairs in 0.2 seconds. 45 minutes of wireless runtime is possible. This covers 3 months of use. And, 45 minutes. Wow. With USB-C fast charging from 0 to 100% in only 30 minutes. An automatic standby switch, so we save energy. We forget cheap batteries. This lithium-ion cell holds 500 charge cycles with only 5% capacity loss. That's perfect for business trips, for the gym, or evening grooming routine. The premium here comes with the look. You see where you go to trim. Really cool. Visual nose hair trimming by Aprox. Refined living, starting from the nose. Oh, yos. And it's easy. We scan, for example, the QR code to download and install the app on our smartphone. We press and hold to start with a one-touch button. Then we connect our phone to the Wi-Fi network named GES Home and WAN and XXXX. Or we use the app, which will see automatically the device nearly. And then we connect successfully and click Start to begin using. Easy peasy, eh? And Type-C port convenient charging for business traveling are possible. We have here insight into the nasal cavity, a sense of security with that device. Wow, this is the Aprox Nose Hair Trimmer with HD camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.